In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check App Store updates on iPhone. If you want to make sure your apps are running smoothly and have the latest features, checking for updates is a good habit. App updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and security patches, so it's worth knowing exactly where to find them. To begin, open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. This will open your account page where you can see information related to your App Store activity, including available app updates. Next, scroll down until you reach the App Updates section. This is where your iPhone shows apps that currently have updates available. If you see a specific app you want to update, just tap Update next to that app. If you'd rather update everything at once, tap Update All. That's the fastest option if you have several pending updates and want to bring all of your apps up to date in one go. If you were expecting to see an update but nothing appears, don't worry. Sometimes the list just needs to be refreshed. To do that, go back to the App Store profile screen, then pull down on the screen and release. This refreshes the updates list and checks again for anything newly available. After a moment, any recent updates should appear if they're ready for your device. You can also choose whether you want updates to happen manually or automatically. To manage that setting, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap Apps, followed by App Store. Here, you'll find the App Updates option. Turn it on if you want your apps to update automatically in the background. This is convenient because it helps keep everything current without you needing to check manually. If you prefer more control over when updates happen, you can turn that option off and update apps yourself whenever you choose. Here's a quick tip to make things even faster. On some iOS versions, you can press and hold the App Store icon on your home screen and then tap Updates to jump straight to the updates screen. If that option appears on your device, it can save you a few taps. And that's how to check App Store updates on iPhone. Once you know where to look, it's a simple process that only takes a few seconds.